morning! Welcome to Vlogmas day, what is today? 14. Today is Vlogmas day 14. I completely forgot. Don't mind this going on because it's exactly what I was wearing just a few hours ago when I closed out Vlogmas day 13. This morning we're going to use the Universal Studios Hollywood You Are Here collection mug. Telling you guys just a couple days ago that the previous couple of days were like the calm before the good storm. I'm currently editing yesterday's Vlogmas and then I have to clean up, work on today's beauty video, which I hope to have up today. I'm gonna have dinner with some of my co-workers from the doctor's office. And yeah, so it's a very busy day today. Okay, so one of the first things we're gonna tackle, I already put this in the wash, as you guys can see. Completely forgot about this yesterday. So I threw this in the dryer yesterday and I put it on air because I purchased this from Charlotte Russe, I think about 2 weeks ago. And it smelled like, literally smelled like body odor. It's new, mind you, but it smelled like body odor. It was the last size. I think this is extra small. I was gonna wear it yesterday, but then the second I put it on, I was like, oh my gosh, it smells so bad. So I threw it in the dryer. I put some of the dryer sheets hoping it would like take out the smell, but it smells so bad. I don't know what they did to that. It's like a sickening type of body odor smell. That's what it smells like. It's horrible. So that's just gonna have to be washed. So it is many hours later and I was able to get a lot of stuff accomplished, but I still have a ton of stuff to do later when I get home. But we're gonna go have dinner with my old co-workers from the doctor's office. It's Winnie and Anna, and we're gonna have dinner with them at Habanero here in Newbury Park. This is actually like super close to my old, my previous job in the insurance company. So yeah, so we're gonna go have dinner. I made it just in time. There was a ton of traffic. And you guys, this is like one of those things that really annoyed me. I was getting ready and then my black eyeliner, like both of my black eyeliners, just completely knocked out on me, meaning they dried up on me, and I was like, what the heck? You know, it has to be on a day when I'm going somewhere, so I kind of made it work. I used also the Esquito gel eyeliner pencil, so hopefully you guys can see. Hopefully it's okay. Kind of have to roll with the punches. So yeah, anyway, let's go eat. I'm hungry. I've never been here. Habanero. Okay, so we're having some crispy tacos, rice, and beans.
Gorditas.
What is it, gorditas?
Yes. Yeah.
Gorditas, rice, and beans. It's an appetizer. For churros. It's so pretty. At the end of the night, I've just been cleaning up, like cleaning, organizing, just getting things all together. Tomorrow is a really big day. Quickly share with you guys my eyeliner today, which, you know, we kind of just made it work. I was looking for the Milani Stay Put Matte 17-hour eyeliner because it's like, it's one of my favorites. It's drugstore. I looked at Walgreens, Walmart, couldn't find it there. Ended up finding it at CVS. Plus I had a 40% off coupon, so I ended up picking it up for like $5. It's time for us to open another one of the 24 days of tea from David's Tea. We are on day number 14. Today's tea, we have Sleigh Ride. This is a good one from last year. Caffeine free and you steep for 5 minutes. What do you guys think? Comment below if we should do a recap of all the teas. Would I recommend it? Like the good and the bad ones. Let me know if you guys would like to see that. Day 25. There is our perfect spoonful. Sleigh Ride is sweet, tart, and spicy. Ingredients are apple, hibiscus blossoms, pineapple, roasted almonds, caramelized sugar, rice, natural and artificial flavoring. This contains 10 calories. Let's go ahead and open our Trader Joe's 24 chocolate days till Christmas advent calendar, and day number 14 is right here. Looks like a squirrel. Small, tiny little squirrel. Very pretty. It smells like spiced apples with a bit of hibiscus. Ooh, that is good. It's sweet, it's a little bit tart. It's got some fruitiness to it. This one's definitely a good one. It's that time again for our daily tea talk, and today's topic comes from Jojo T. How are you dealing with aging? I turned 40 this year and I can see changes. Blessed to be alive, of course. Hi Jojo, thank you so much for commenting your topic, and I completely agree with you. Definitely blessed to be alive. To be really transparent, couple of white hairs pop in the later part of this year, and the only reason why I really saw it was because hair up here is my natural hair color, so I started to see some white hairs just kind of seeping in, and some of them were like popping in over here, and that really, you know, it kind of shook me a bit because I really didn't want to dye my hair for a while. I kind of just wanted to let it, you know, just marinate. It's like, oh my gosh, I guess I'm gonna have to start dyeing it once I really start getting in a lot of those grays. In regards to aging though, I know it's inevitable. I know I'm gonna get wrinkles, so I'm definitely all about just skincare, prevention, using your SPF, protecting your skin against sun damage, sunspots. I'm a really huge stickler with SPF on the face. I have been for many years. I definitely have seen a change, especially the past 2 years. I have noticed just under my eyes, the bags under my eyes. Also noticed with some crow's feet around my eyes when I smile. So I mean, just like little things I've noticed. Right now it doesn't really bother me, but I definitely do accept it that I am 38, I am getting older. Sad to think about it that, you know, we are getting older, but it is just a natural part of life. Hopefully that answers your question. Please leave your comments and topics and questions down below. I'd really appreciate it, and we can kind of chat about it during our daily tea talk. So I think I didn't even really drink my tea that much today. Oh no! Oh, chocolate melted. The chocolate melted on the placemat. The teapot right next to the chocolate, and it melted it. So let's go ahead and hang up day number 14. Oops. Hang up right here. Right there. Okay. Go ahead and end Vlogmas day 14 here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really truly appreciate you guys so much. I hope you guys had a wonderful Friday. Happy weekend to you guys. Have an amazing Saturday, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 15.